Do you ever feel that your body's foundation isn't as solid as it used to be? Maybe you notice your legs feel weaker, making stairs a real challenge. Perhaps you experience a frustrating tingling or pins and needles sensation in your hands that comes and goes. Or maybe it's that familiar, grinding stiffness in your joints that makes mornings so difficult. You're trying to eat healthy, loading up on vegetables, but these issues persist, leaving you wondering if you're missing a key piece of the puzzle. What if I told you that these seemingly separate issues, weak legs, tingling hands, and stiff joints, are all deeply connected to the health of one single protein in your body? The surprising truth is, not all vegetables provide the specific nutrients your body needs to build and maintain this crucial protein. Today, we're uncovering the 8 powerful vegetables that are packed with the right building blocks and helpers to support this vital protein, helping you strengthen your legs, soothe your nerves, and lubricate your joints after 60. And we're starting with the reason this all connects right now. The common thread linking weak legs, tingling hands, and stiff joints is often the health of your collagen. It might be surprising to learn, but collagen is the most abundant protein in your body, acting as the primary structural component, the scaffolding, for nearly all of your tissues. It's the vital protein that makes up the connective tissue within and around your muscles, providing them with structure and resilience. It's a key component of the myelin sheath that insulates and protects your nerve endings, and when it's compromised, it can contribute to sensations like tingling. And most famously, it is the main ingredient in the cartilage that cushions your joints, allowing for smooth, pain-free movement. As we age, especially after 60, our body's natural ability to produce new, high-quality collagen declines significantly. This silent, gradual decline is a major root cause of many of the physical challenges seniors face. So, why do so many seniors experience these issues, even if they eat a diet rich in vegetables? The problem often lies in a simple misunderstanding. You can't just eat collagen and have it magically appear in your joints. Your body has to build its own collagen, and this is a complex biochemical process. It requires 2 things. First, the right bricks, which are specific amino acids like glycine and proline. Second, it needs a team of construction workers, which are essential vitamins and minerals, often called cofactors. The most important of these cofactors is vitamin C, but minerals like zinc, copper, and sulfur are also non-negotiable. If your diet is missing any of these crucial components, your body's collagen production line effectively grinds to a halt. You can be eating plenty of healthy vegetables, but if they aren't the ones rich in these specific building blocks and helpers, your connective tissues will continue to weaken, leaving your legs, hands, and joints vulnerable. The immense significance of providing the body with the necessary precursors and cofactors for collagen synthesis to support musculoskeletal and neurological health in seniors is now a major focus in nutritional science. By understanding that your body is a collagen-making factory, you can strategically provide it with the raw materials and workers it needs to run efficiently. This proactive, science-backed approach helps you actively fight the root causes of weak legs, tingling hands, and stiff joints, rather than just masking the symptoms. It's about empowering your body to repair and rebuild its own fundamental structure, which is a powerful strategy for maintaining strength, comfort, and mobility as you age. Based on scientific understanding of collagen synthesis and the nutrients that support it, what is the most effective way to help your body produce more of this vital protein? The answer is centered around consistently consuming specific vegetables that are packed with the very building blocks and helper nutrients your body is craving. The key to strengthening weak legs, soothing tingling hands, and relieving stiff joints after 60 is to eat a diet rich in vegetables that provide the precursors and cofactors for collagen production. Here's how this powerful strategy works. You will be providing your body with 2 critical types of nutrients from these vegetables. Amino acids, like glycine and proline, these are the direct bricks that your body links together to form collagen protein strands. Cofactors, like vitamin C and key minerals. These are the essential workers that are necessary for the chemical reactions that turn those amino acids into strong, stable collagen. Vitamin C, in particular, is the master foreman of this operation. Without it, the entire process fails. By consistently consuming vegetables rich in these components, you are giving your body everything it needs to repair and maintain the collagen in your leg muscles' connective tissue, the protective sheaths around your nerves, potentially reducing tingling, and the cartilage in your joints, leading to less stiffness and pain. Let's dive into the 8 best vegetables that are packed with these collagen-boosting nutrients. Bell peppers, especially red and yellow, these are an absolute powerhouse of vitamin C. A single red bell pepper can contain more than 150% of your daily vitamin C needs. As we've discussed, vitamin C is the most crucial cofactor for collagen synthesis. It's essential for stabilizing collagen molecules and forming strong connective tissue. They also contain antioxidants that fight inflammation, which can further damage collagen in your joints and nerves. Leafy greens, spinach and kale, these greens are nutritional champions. They provide a significant amount of vitamin C and are also packed with antioxidants and chlorophyll. Some research suggests chlorophyll can increase the precursor to collagen in the skin and provides antioxidant effects, protecting existing collagen from damage. They also contain minerals that support overall tissue health. Spinach, in particular, contains some of the amino acids that are components of collagen. Broccoli, this cruciferous vegetable, is another excellent source of vitamin C, making it a top choice for supporting collagen production. Beyond that, broccoli is rich in sulfur, a trace mineral that plays an important role in collagen synthesis and the health of cartilage. It also contains sulforaphane, a compound with potent anti-inflammatory effects that can help protect your joints from inflammatory damage. Tomatoes. While often debated in the nightshade category for most people, tomatoes are beneficial due to their high content of vitamin C and the powerful antioxidant lycopene. Lycopene helps protect the skin and other tissues from UV damage and oxidative stress, which can break down collagen. To maximize lycopene absorption, it's best to eat tomatoes cooked. Garlic. Garlic is one of the best dietary sources of sulfur. As mentioned with broccoli, sulfur is a key mineral needed for the formation of collagen and other important connective tissue proteins like keratin. It helps give your tissues their strength and structure. Garlic also contains compounds like taurine and lipoic acid, which help rebuild damaged collagen fibers. Its potent anti-inflammatory properties further protect your joints and tissues. Avocados. While technically a fruit, avocados are often used as a vegetable and are incredible for supporting collagen health. They are rich in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps prevent collagen breakdown. They also contain healthy monounsaturated fats that support cellular health and reduce inflammation. Healthy fats are also necessary for the absorption of other fat-soluble vitamins that support tissue health. Beans and legumes. These plant-based powerhouses are rich in protein, providing many of the amino acids the body needs to build collagen. They are also excellent sources of the essential mineral copper, another crucial cofactor for collagen synthesis. Copper is necessary for the enzyme that helps create the strong, cross-linked fibers that give collagen its resilience and strength. Pumpkin seeds. These small seeds are one of the best plant-based sources of zinc. Zinc is another essential mineral cofactor required for collagen production. It acts as a trigger for the enzymes involved in synthesizing collagen protein. A zinc deficiency can directly impair your body's ability to produce collagen. Sprinkling these seeds on your meals is an easy way to get this vital nutrient. By consistently incorporating these 8 vegetables and seeds/legumes into your diet, you are creating a powerful, synergistic effect. You are providing your body with the direct building blocks, the essential helper vitamins and minerals, and the protective antioxidants it needs to build and maintain a healthy collagen matrix throughout your body. This directly supports the strength of your leg muscles' connective tissue, the health of the protective sheaths around your nerves, potentially reducing tingling, and the integrity of the cartilage in your joints, leading to less stiffness and pain. So, to recap, weak legs, tingling hands, and stiff joints after 60 are often linked to a decline in your body's collagen. To fight this, your body needs the right tools, amino acid building blocks and helper nutrients like vitamin C, zinc, copper, and sulfur. The 8 foods we discussed, bell peppers, leafy greens, broccoli, tomatoes, garlic, avocados, beans, and pumpkin seeds are packed with these essential components, empowering your body to rebuild from within. Taking this one small step to prioritize these specific, collagen-rich vegetables in your daily diet could be a game-changer for your physical well-being. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell immediately if you thought this information was helpful and provided clear, actionable guidance on using vegetables to support collagen health. Show this video to a loved one who may be struggling with weak legs, tingling hands, or stiff joints. Their life might be changed by your simple act of sharing this powerful, natural approach to health. After learning about these 8 foods, which 2 will you make a point to add to your grocery list this week to start rebuilding your body's collagen? Share your choices in the comments below.